Hello friends, I'm Sana. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are very excited for my new videos and I hope you guys are enjoying my video. So let's start the video. So my video is basically on again a product review, but this time it's a beauty product video. So I will be showing you, see, here is the beauty box and I will be unboxing this parcel in front of you. Stay over here and see what's there inside the box. So let's see. So let's unpack this parcel. It's from Lakme website. So let's see what is there inside the box. Wow, so beautiful box. See, so attractive. Let's open this. Are you guys ready? What is there inside the box? Excited? So let's open. Here is the bill, thank you card. Here is the products: Lakme Absolute Cream, Lakme Mousse Cream, and two face powders are there, Lakme Absolute Radiance. Voila. So basically these are the products that were unboxed. First, I will be giving the preview of this product. This is Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Day Cream with Sunscreen. So basically this cream is a very dry cream and I have been using it, so I can give you a best review of this. The packaging is very nice of this product. So you can see it. And here I am opening the product. See. Let me tell you one thing, that the smell of the cream is very nice. So those who are thinking about the smell, I can assure you that you will be loving the smell. Here I am applying. Now you can see the changing color. You can see this. So those who are thinking about wearing a light makeup or wearing not any makeup, just a cream, then please you can go forward it. Those who are working lady, those who have to leave their houses every day in the morning, they can use it. And this is a 9 to 5 product. Along with this comes this one. It's a same company, that is Lakme Absolute. This is also a Perfect Radiance. It comes in a compact way. So it is a face powder. Let me open it. A white box. So you can see the box is very impressive, and moreover you can see it is neither round nor a oval shape, so you can hold it properly. This shape is to hold the product properly. Now here you go with a mirror, and this is the sponge. You can see the sponge with the product's name written over here, Lakme. And here comes a small thin wrapper to protect your compact. So before using it, you can remove it off. And here I will be applying a little bit of it on the same hand. Now you can see the changing color. Here we go. So you can feel it. And moreover, this is a very light one. And it also does not create any sweat, so those who are having an oily skin can go forward it. Go and buy it. It's a very nice product. I have been using it for several years. So here it is, that is Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance. After this, what I have brought is this one, that is a mousse cream. Those who are thinking of going to a party
a birthday party or a small party where you cannot wear a heavy makeup, you can wear this one. This is really a very nice one. It's a skin natural mousse material. So let me unbox it, and it's a surprising that the container is really very cute. It is protected with this one. Along with this also there was a thin paper, so the packaging is very nice. So if you are ordering it online, the packaging is very excellent to protect your product. And here we go. See the container. You will simply love it. The container is very nice. It's an egg-shaped container. Let me open it. Here it is, Lakme Absolute. So if you are thinking about the quality of the product, the names written on it will prove you that whether it is a original one or a D one. So you can see the Lakme E. Here you can see an extension of the E which says that it is an original one. Everywhere in the Lakme you will see above the E there is a hyphen over there. So it proves that it is a original product. So you can go to the link given in the description box and you will be able, this one. Let me open this. Okay, see again the packaging is very nice. And here we go. The smell of the product is amazing. The cream, the mousse smells very nice. Okay, so it's very soft one. Little bit I will be applying. And you can see the changing color of my hand. Here you can see. So if you are thinking about wearing it in a light party, please go for it, try it, and I think that you are going to love the product.
So here I'm back. So I didn't use this product before, so that's why I said my aunt to give those reviews. She told me to use this products because she really loved it, and yes, the products are really very good. I loved it. The way she said everything, the product was really very good. So if you guys want to buy the product, link is in the description. Please go for it, buy the product. Don't buy from any other website, just go for Lakme website, because you know before also my aunt bought some products from another website and it was totally fake. So please go for Lakme website and buy the product. So if you guys really like my video, then hit like, do a comment. I'm there on Instagram. Please do follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new here, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, thank you, love you.